Hiya! What is going on to the YouTube? It's Furry Vlogs. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update on my furry project. So, I was thinking about ordering me a brand new furry head, but what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see the new head that I'm gonna order on eBay, or do you guys want to see my old 2.0 Raven Husky head? Well, this character, his name was originally Snowflake, but I decided to name it Raven Husky because these designs, I put them on here by myself. I went and bought the fabric from Walmart, and I just started adding all this stuff to it. So some of the fur I got it from Hobby Lobby, and some of the stuff I got it from Walmart, like this stuff right here. So anyways, my character, if you guys want to know what character it is, it's pretty much a husky. So that's what he is, because oh my god, I absolutely love huskies. They're so adorable. Like ugh. Anyways, um, his name is Raven Husky, and I actually added these little gauges on here, which I think they're pretty cool, that my cousin had gave me. And yeah, I was thinking of rebuilding this one, buying some black fur, and then adding it right here on the sides to make it like little plushy ears, I guess. I think that'd be pretty cool. Like these parts right here, just black fabric that I got from Walmart, and then putting plushy black ears, plushy black fur right here, and then getting a different hairstyle, like the animated style hairstyle that goes, it's like a mohawk that goes right here, and it goes all the way back here in the middle. And as you guys can see, that's my spike collar, the one I used to wear to high school, and it is falling apart right there. That's my spike collar that I got here. I used to wear this a lot to high school. Not the mask, but the spike collar. And yes, I did upload a few videos of me when I was first studying in school, and on top of that, when I was first studying in the gym with my pals, because they didn't allow masks that time. So I made these little eyelids because I'm not used to that the big the big eyes, I guess I should call it. Oh, now he's mad. So anyways, I'm not used to any of that, so the big, like, yeah, there you go. I'm not used to that. To me, it's kind of creepy, but at the end of the day, it looks better with the eyelids. So like I said, I do have the new eyes. I do have the fabric to build the little housing that goes around here. So what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see Raven Husky 2.0 being rebuilt, or you guys want to see me buy the foam head on eBay and add the same designs on the new head? Leave your opinion, comments down below, guys, and see what you guys want me to do. Because this one here, I bought this thing back in, I think it was, I'm trying to remember, April 2nd, 2014. That's the year that I bought it. Um, I didn't have these designs on here. I will show you guys in my old Facebook photos that how I made my first fursuit project, my first furry head when I first started getting into it. I actually started getting into it whenever I was in high school, when I was still in I want to say 10th grade. Yeah, when I was still in 10th grade, and no, 11th grade. There you go. When I was still in 11th grade, and that's how I got into the furry fandom. I never took my badges to school, but when I went to 12th grade, that's when I started bringing my badges to school, which was class of 2019. That's the year that I graduated. And yes, I used to wear these a lot to high school. I used to get so many comments. And yes, I had paws on this side. I had paws on this side. They look like, these are pretty much Brookstone cat earphones, but I call them furry headphones because of the cute ears, I guess. And yes, this is my second furry head that I built. It my actual furry head that I ordered on eBay. I got it just a foam head, as you guys can see, but it is made really nice. But I've been having a lot of issues with it where it's starting to like fall apart. If you guys can see right here, like this piece right here, it's like falling apart from the day that I wore it to Halloween night, and then this piece right here is starting to fall apart. So what I can do is order me another I think it's called I can't really pronounce it, but it's like a ski mask that you put on whenever it's cold, and that's what they mostly use for back here. But this side, I actually put all this stuff by myself. It was actually my first time actually putting fabric on a fursuit head, and it actually, came out pretty good. So the main parts that are getting messed up, well, the nose is still good, but if I do decide to rebuild this thing, if I do decide to rebuild him, I am probably going to remove all this part right here, the white part, just replace this piece right here and just put a leather nose, put fuzzy fur on here, fuzzy black fur, and just trim it down just a little bit, but not too much, and then do some different gauges colors, and then remove this hairstyle and order me the animated hairstyle, which is the ones that looks kind of spiky looking. But I am gonna paint the tips. The hair is gonna be white, even though my character is a black and white husky. So it's gonna have the mohawk from here to all the way back here. It's gonna pretty much gonna be like a pink, like white hair with pink tips, and I'm still gonna add the extensions, I guess, maybe, I don't know yet. But anyways, I do have the new eyes for it, so what I can do is build the little housing that goes around here, and this thing I can actually see out of it pretty well, which I'll show you guys next time. Actually, let me show you guys right now that I can actually see out of this thing, because I use when I first built the eyes, I used the window screen, and that's how I was able to see out of the eyes. I'll show you guys right now. How can you see out of window screen? Oh, drop the camera. I hope you guys can see in here halfway decent. But there you go. There you go. You can totally see out of it. So I mean, yeah, the first eyes that I first built it, which this thing actually came out really well. The way that I, built it, and this thing was actually built. I started adding the designs to it. I actually had some different designs on here. This part right here, all of it was black, and the nose was white, and I forgot. I will show you guys in some pictures that I had when I was in high school. And so what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see Raven Husky 2.0 being rebuilt, or you guys want to see a brand new furry project? Leave your comments down below, and I will keep you guys posted on what I'm gonna do. So let's see, by January 1st, I'll probably order me a brand new furry head. But if you guys want to see this one rebuilt, because from what I'm planning on going with the new head, I'm actually planning on putting saber teeth on the side. And if I have to, I could probably make the muzzle a little bit more bigger. I'm talking about the jaw. I could probably make it just a little bit bigger. But I had this thing since, I'm gonna say 2014. That's the year that I ordered the foam head, and I started adding different designs. These are not the original designs that came with the head. Well, it was just the foam head, but I had some different designs on here. And then in 2017, that's whenever I started adding these designs right here. So yeah, guys, I mean, tell me, what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see this head being rebuilt, or you guys want to see the new one? Leave your comments down below, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for more videos, and shout out to all my furries, and as always, stay tuned.